Gurudev, what is ego and how to get rid of it?
Now tell me, why do you have to get rid of it? Why should we?
I say that because okay, मैं घर में ही देखता हूँ जैसे if I'm talking to my wife or my son or somebody, sometimes I sense कि एक ईगो आ रहा है because there's a need to be right कि मैं right हूँ इस बात को आप मानो. Sometimes even when people know कि हम गलत हैं या खुद को भी कभी एहसास हो तो वो एक्सेप्टेंस थोड़ा आदमी बड़ा धीरे से करता है. तो इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ कि ये ईगो है हमारा जो हमको ये कहने नहीं देता कि हम गलत हो सकते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है उससे अगर आजाद आदमी हो जाए तो रिश्ते बेहतर होंगे, सब कुछ बेहतर होगा.
मैं कहूँगा कि for God's sake, don't try to get rid of ego. Let it be there. You know, you know why? If I say, oh, I have gotten rid of my ego, that would be the biggest ego.
Okay. That's well said.
So, ego can be there. Ego means an identification. You identify yourself with something, either a thought process or a feeling or whatever, an ideology, or you take a position. That is what Why people want to get out of ego? Because it gives pain sometimes. Because your heart says no, what the other person is saying truth. But it is the difference, the wall that comes between you and the other person, that your own wall does not allow you to accept it. So it gives you pain. That is the reason we want to get rid of ego. But what I would say is, you recognize your ego, keep it in your pocket, don't have to show it all the time. Ego does some very good thing also. Ego is the biggest motivating factor. किसी की ईगो पर चोट लगाओ, अहंकार पर चोट लगाओ, तो फिर वो आदमी फिर उठ खड़ा हो जाता है, काम करने लगता है. हर अच्छे काम के पीछे भी ईगो होती है, वो ईगो रहने देना चाहिए. तो इसलिए 3 तरह की ईगो होती है. एक सात्विक ईगो, राजसिक, तामसिक ईगो. सात्विक ईगो वो है that you identify about something, about your thought, you say, you have an opinion. This is Raju Irani. You have an idea about yourself. There's nothing wrong to have that opinion. You have certain principles, some policies, some ideas, and you have identity. I say Raju Irani is like this. Raju is honest. Raju only goes for quality thing. It's fine. Okay. But when the Raju feels very distant from others, this is Rajasic ego. When you find uncomfortable with other people, someone else, or you feel so disconnected with others, this is, I would call it, a Rajasic ego. And then a Tamasic ego ye hoga, you become blind to anybody's opinion, you blind to all reason, all logic. आप कुछ पकड़ लोगे और ये कहोगे कि मेरा खरगोश का तो सिंग है ही है, मेरा खरगोश का सिंग है. इस तरह से सिद्ध करने वाले तामसिक ईगो होते हैं. तो हमें क्या करना, तामसिक ईगो से, रीजन लॉजिक से राजसिक ईगो पे आते हैं. राजसिक ईगो से भी सात्विक में होने के लिए क्या, सबको अपनाते हैं. अब देखो, आप अपने घर में अपने वाइफ के साथ, बेटों के साथ जिस आराम से रहते हो, where you are ready to take a comment or an adverse remarks without any hesitation. This is, I would call, a sattvic ego. But if you have the same mindset of sense of belongingness with your own team, that they feel comfortable giving you honest feedback and you are ready to take them, I would call, that is it. That is how you have gotten over your Rajasic and Tamasic ego, where you are not dictatorial, you are not all the time imposing your own idea, you are open to ideas. So in this way we can say it's a sattvic ego, and it's good to have sattvic ego, I tell you.
Fantastic. Well said.